I'm Gucci, and today I'm going to show you how to make a dirty banana. Now, the dirty banana is a blended cocktail, and you need 5 ingredients. You need milk, Kahlua, rum. I'm using Bundaberg rum, so a dark rum. And you'll also need some chocolate syrup and a banana. Now, with the banana, you will have to freeze it ahead of time before you actually make this cocktail. All right, now, first thing you'll need to do is put some You'll need to put some ice into your blender. Then we're going to add our frozen banana. We're going to add 2 shots of rum. 1, 2. A shot of Kahlua. And then I'm going to pop the lid on. And I'm just going to blend this until it's a smooth consistency, and then I'm going to add the milk and the chocolate syrup. So I'm going to pop this into the blender. Alright. We're not done yet. Next I'm going to add just a squeeze of chocolate syrup. Not too much. And we're adding 3 shots of milk. You could use cream, but I'm using milk. 1, 2, 3. Put this lid back on. And I'll blend that again. Excellent. So in terms of a serving glass, you just want something fancy and pretty. I'm using a brandy glass because I think it's going to be the right size for the volume of the drink that I've made today. So to make it a little bit special, I'm just going to kind of rim this a little bit. Nothing too extravagant there. And then I'm going to pour this in. Got a lovely creamy texture. Let's put that there. And I'm going to garnish, I think, just with a slice of banana. Maybe a couple of slices of banana. And voila, we are done. This is a dirty banana. Cheers. Gotta be a fan of rum, and you've got to be a fan of bananas to enjoy this drink. It's lovely, I like it. The consistency is a little bit unusual. It's quite a thick consistency, so it's not like a milkshake, and it's not like a thick shake from McDonald's. It's got that mushed banana consistency. Alright guys, well, that brings me to the end of my show today. So if you want to see me, Gucci, make more cocktails, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll catch you next time. Bye!